Whoa! Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy.
Right, so we've just arrived at DMO's new house, and today we're going to be doing a garage floor, new door, hexagon lighting, and some other bits and pieces. So stay tuned. We've got a surprise for him as well.
Yo, so it's time to change this door.
You know what's up net when it go up. Ain't got no other plans, you don't need to understand, ayy. We got no time, you don't need to understand, ayy. You just show them how to do it when you don't know what to say. Tell me how you plan to win if you plan to play the same. Moving fast, already gone, yeah, but
yeah, you have done it wrong.
You guys need the next good light instruction.
So you got some.
You bringing me back. Try to double cross me, dog. Just let me relax.
I got a great idea.
Stop assuming what we doing. Keep it moving.
Strange one when it's installed, because obviously we're taking this old door out. It seems like they only had a draft here. The rest of it seems to be okay.
Please don't play no games with me, I promise.
Officer, I got one question for you.
What are those? We always playing rough. I had enough, it ain't luck. I needed a vision, I needed ambition, I needed a mission to beat in submission with no intermission. I see the collision, the crash in the distance. They
Oh, we're close. Whoopee! Give her a push. Right, see? What do you do about the old electrician here, boy?
understand, ayy. We on overtime, you don't need to understand, ayy. You just show them how to do it when you don't know what to say.
Please. Can't do it.
What?
Oh, I can't. Wait, I can't. Why can't I do it?
20 minutes later.
Pretend the camera's not there.
Yeah, I know, but why would I be
Speaking to
saying...
pain.
I can't. Why can't I do it? Why can't I do it?
You ready?
It would be funny if it wasn't so public.
What?
He's talking gibberish, sir.
Yes, I can hear that one.
I've took down 2 5-foot battens today and put the LED hexagons up for the boys at Garage Style.
What do you think? Easy job?
Yeah, nice
job?
and easy, yeah.
Yeah.
Job done.
Lovely.
That's
Cheers,
me
mate.
finished.
You can't manage this, can't break this, boy, I'm funded. Gotta keep my distance when you not 100, Come the same ones say they love you, lady, funny,
You ready for the new floor?
Let's go. Nah, give it to me, give it to me.
Way too cold, yeah, man, I'm way too cold, way too cold, yeah, man, I'm way too cold, yes, I meant it, yeah, man, I'm way too cold, hey, I'm a problem when I'm on top like this why this on a flow, hey, gotta keep my fur coat close, cause I'm a boss and I'm way too cold, I don't really wanna come ask me why I gotta act like this, tell them that my pocket too swollen, they already know I'm a flex with a bag like this, like, I'm at the top and that's literal, I'm making money, it's digital, they watch how I step in this pivotal, they wanna be me and it's pitiful, I cannot be no one else and I'm flexing, I'm glad to be me. There's no
Right, so the lights are all in, the garage door's now fitted and programmed. Ollie's just making some cuts around the edge of the floor, and Adam's just going to put some pictures up, and we've got a surprise to go on the wall for DMO as well.
I thought we'd do DMO custom walls, do spray paint, see how it goes.
way too cold, yeah, man, I'm way too cold, way too cold, yeah, man, I'm way too cold, way too cold, yeah, man, I'm way too cold, yes, I meant it, yeah, man, I'm way too cold.
After our last prank video, we thought we'd take this opportunity to prank DMO as well, so we're going to install the wrong logo and get his reaction when we reveal the garage to him. Right, so that's us all finished, now we're going to reveal it.
Let's go.
You ready? This is the new door to start with.
Come on, nice and smooth. Let's get it cracking. I don't know, what's this piece of shit here?
Your new car.
Bro, man ain't got no Ferrari yet. Yeah, I'll take that off. He's like joking. Come on. Oh, look at the lights. Look at the lights, Josh. They're beautiful. Come on. We've got that fun in the room.
Custom piece of artwork for you. as well.
Come on, what's this? Oh shit, I thought it was the graffiti. Hey, come on. Yo.
To match the floor with the
Garage styles come completely. Yeah, you lot have took attention to detail. What's this, like the 6th or 7th?
Yeah.
What have we done?
Yeah, I think this is the 7th installation now, so started back in Edgeware. We'll put in a picture of the first job and we'll cut in some of the other pictures.
Have you got the picture still?
Yeah.
I've not got the figures out.
Yeah.
That's nuts.
You can't manage this, can't break this bond funded. Gotta keep my.
And then cold
Come on, that's better. That's better. Look at this on the floor now.
Look, I don't wanna talk. How you try and press the kid and read it, you was soft. All you know is capping, homie, you don't know the law. Pedal to the metal, you ain't catching me in park. I just hit the start.
Hey, also big shout outs to Garage Styles for plugging my garage. As you can see, we've got the vented floors, colour coded. We've got the DMO logo there. We've got the roller shutters installed, and we've got the lights. We've got the trio. It's a full shebang package. If you want this, just ask them what DMO's got, and they're gonna give it to you for a nice price. Big up Garage Styles.
Cause I don't really see nobody close to me. Hopefully this ain't wasted and I know it ain't. You gotta take the time.